ठीक है सर. Hi Kartik, my name is Pooja Sharma. I ask some question from you. After going to picnic, what will you do?
Thanks for question. After going to picnic, first of all, I will meet with my some friends, and after it, I will set up my tent, and then after I will start preparing my breakfast, and after completing for my breakfast, I will take my breakfast, and then after I will go to my house and take off my shoes, and after that I will enter my bathroom and take a shower. After having shower, I will take my lunch, and after that I will start preparing for my tuitions. Then after I will go for my tuitions, and after that I will come from my tuitions and have my snacks. And after having my snacks, I will watch television for some time, and after it I will involve in my studies. And after that I will watch television for some more times, and after watching television I will take my dinner, and after it I will once again involve in my studies. And when my studies are over, I will go to sleep. Thanks.